Minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12th. Subject is zoology. And our today's topic is very important topic, that is birth control. Dear students, birth control, first of all we need its need. As you know that in the world the population explosion has become a threat or concern to the world, and it is estimated that if the growth of population will remain continue with the same pace, then it is estimated that in coming 35 years the population of the world will become double. This is the threat of the population explosion. Why birth control? Why there is need of a birth control at the world level or at the nation level? Because it is estimated that if the population explosion remain continue with the same pace, then in coming 35 years the population will become double. And everybody knows when the population will become double, then it creates so many problems. Like due to this population explosion, the first problem, food crisis occurs. When food crisis occurs, hunger starts among the people. And due to this poor food affects health of the people. Though the first problem is that when the population becomes double, when there is an explosion of population, then the first problem, food crisis occurs. Hunger starts, and among the people there will be the poor health due to deficiency of food. The second is shortage of drinking water. As you know that when there is an explosion in the population, shortage of drinking water will occur, whereas the water is the most important thing. Then shortage of clothing. And shelter. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात करेंगे कि एक जमाना था, हमारी स्टेट की अगर बात होगी तो यहाँ पे बहुत कम आबादी थी, तो एक बड़ा वास्ट फील्ड जो था वो अवेलेबल था. आज आप देखते हैं कि शेल्टर के लिए हमें तड़पना पड़ता है. अब शेल्टर अवेलेबल नहीं हो रहा है, शेल्टर के लिए हमें, हाउसिंग के लिए हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. दैट इज व्हाई then the population became double when there is an explosion of population. Say shortage of housing, shortage of educational faculties, occurs. Shortage of educational faculties occurs. Same danger of epidemic diseases occurs. Unemployment starts. Shortage of raw materials. Shortage of natural resources. Etc. So I will repeat. हमारा टॉपिक जो है वो बर्थ कंट्रोल है. Why birth control is need? The population explosion has become a world threat. It became as a world concern that if the population will remain continue with the same pace, then it is estimated that in coming 35 years the population will become double. When the population will become double, then it creates so many problems. I have already told you that food crisis occurs. I have already told you that shortage of drinking water and shortage of clothing and shelter, shortage of housing, shortage of educational faculties, danger of epidemic diseases occurs, unemployment starts everywhere, shortage of raw materials, shortage of natural resources. These things will occur when there becomes a population explosion. That is why birth control is needed. Our topic is birth control. Thus, birth control. Thus, the only method, direct and predictable method to control the population explosion is birth control. How this birth control can be done? Now there is a question: how this birth control can be done? Birth control means prevention of pregnancy. Deliberate prevention of pregnancy between the two life partners. Deliberate prevention of pregnancy between the two life partners by preventing fertilization. By preventing fertilization, we can say that this is the birth control. I can repeat. Birth control means the deliberate prevention of pregnancy between the two life partners by preventing fertilization. We call that it is a birth control, and this is the only solution to control or to avoid the population explosion either at the national or the world level or at the state level. Then there is an only option, that is birth control. And how can this birth control be done? This birth control can be done by providing awareness, by providing the education among the life partners to avoid the prevention of pregnancy by preventing fertilization. Then there occurs the birth control. Contraceptives are birth control. That is the process. Contraceptives are birth control. That is the process by which the prevention of pregnancy occurs by preventing the fertilization. By preventing the fertilization, we call that there becomes a birth control, and it is a necessary. It is a necessary to aware the people about the effectiveness about the population explosion upon the world or the state level. This we call that it is a birth control. Now there are so many methods, there are so many techniques, the chemical methods, the drugs, the physical methods, and the other ways which we can use to control the birth rate. Then there are two. The birth control methods can be divided into two parts. Number one, temporary methods, and number second, permanent birth control methods. Let's these two methods, the temporary methods and the permanent methods, can be discussed inshallah in the next lesson.